Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for a 10 free CSS courses in Udemy. The first course is HTML and CSS, a super quick introduction to HTML and CSS. Okay, this course demanding 1 hour and 4 minute duration and 30,300 students enrolled in this course. Okay, you will learn to this course text and image and lists and CSS selectors and box model and colors, positioning and flex box and media queries, animation with the keyframe and transactions. So let's watch the introduction video.
Welcome to HTML and CSS Foundations. This is a quick course that will teach you two of the essential coding languages needed for front-end web development, HTML and CSS. Why teach both HTML and CSS in the same course? Really because they just go hand in hand with each other. HTML adds content to your website, while CSS styles your website's content so that it looks nice. We'll start off this course by learning HTML and gradually incorporate CSS into our examples. And by the end of this course, you will have the skills necessary to create websites that are responsive, adaptive, and animated. Now keep in mind that this course is not a comprehensive...
Okay, the next video is become a HTML and CSS developer, build a responsive site. Take the first step to becoming a professional web developer. This course duration is 2 hours and 3 minute demanding video, and 35 students are enrolling this course. And you will learn to this course, learn to create a stunning website using HTML and CSS, get a good grasp of basic of HTML and CSS, and build a responsive company website from scratch. Next we are looking for the introduction video.
Hello and welcome. My name is Paulo Farias Navarro. I'm a software developer and founder of Zenba. In this course, you'll learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and responsive web design. Throughout the course, you'll be building this stunning company website, which also looks great on small screens on mobile phones. Why is it important to learn programming or to learn web development? Well, first of all, if your goal is to become a software developer, learning HTML and CSS.
Okay, the next course is Introduction to CSS Development. This course demanding 1 hours and 49 minutes duration, and 28,746 students are enrolled in this course. And you will learn to this course goal, learn basic of CSS and implementing CSS and basic style and layout for site, and understanding CSS architecture for scalability. So the all courses are lifetime free courses, so guys, you can take these all courses anytime. These are lifelong course. So let's watch the introduction video.
We can be even more specific about which element we want by combining our tags without using a space. Let's say that we want to select all paragraph tags that have the class myClass. We'll start with our paragraph tag selector, and then by not putting in a space, we'll also include the class that we want. Here we're saying we want all paragraph tags that also have the myElement class defined.
Okay, the next course is EMMET Faster HTML and CSS Workflow, best tool for developers. EMMET is a plugin for text editor and helps you write HTML and CSS faster, work quicker, saving time and making more money. Okay, this course demanding 1 hour and 12 minutes duration, and these years you will be able to code HTML faster, and you will be able to code CSS faster, and you will be able to code HTML faster, and you will be faster coder at the end of the course period. Okay, the next course is Write a Quicker HTML5 and CSS3 Productivity Hack with the EMMET. Change the way to write HTML5 and CSS3 code, a faster way that will increase your productivity to write a course. Okay, this course duration is 1 hour and 28 minutes only, and you will learn to this course write a faster HTML code and write faster CSS code, and create a bootstrap template quickly and get friendly with EMMET, and use EMMET on your favorite editor. So let's check the introduction video.
In this video, I'll walk you through how you can write faster HTML and CSS code. Now I can understand your frustration that as a beginner or intermediate level of web developer, it's kind of a hard thing. At first it looks, yay, we need to learn the syntax about open up the HTML tag, close the HTML tag, open the head tag, close the head tag, and so on and so forth. Now it sometimes becomes a little bit frustrating as you move on into the web development skill, because you already know that every tag needs to be closed there, and these tags are sometimes time consuming. A classic example is you have a paragraph and you want to fill that paragraph with some filler text. You move on to the lorem ipsum text, you copy that text and paste into your paragraph tag. Yes, it does the job and it's okay, it's completely fine, but it's a little bit less productive. You can be a little bit more efficient in writing web dev code. So in this video, I'll give you one simple productivity hack so that you can write your HTML and CSS code a lot more faster. I see this situation.
Okay, the next course is HTML and CSS for absolute beginner. It's a beginner course, so do not have any previous experience for CSS. Okay, and learn the fundamental of HTML and CSS for scratch, and start your web designing career. Okay, so this course demanding 2 hours and 18-minute duration, and you will learn to this course create a modern website using HTML and CSS, and it add styling to any website using CSS, and understanding all the major areas of HTML and CSS. So guys, I will show you how to get the course. Please press the enroll now and start the course. So this is the course, and these courses only 4 sections are available this course, and 19 lectures including this course. Okay, and this is the introduction video.
Hi guys, and welcome to HTML and CSS for Beginners course. I'm Angela and I'll be your instructor for this course. So let me tell you briefly what we'll be learning together in this course. First of all, we will start learning HTML from the very beginning. We will cover a number of HTML concepts like HTML tags.
Okay, the next course is web development by doing HTML and CSS from scratch. Web development for scratch, learn by doing for complete beginner HTML and CSS code your first website in 1 hour. Okay, this course demanding 1 hour duration only. You will learn to this course create your first website from scratch, and learn what a website actually is and what is made of, and learn the basic of HTML and HTML5, and learn the basic of CSS and CSS3. Okay, let's check the introduction video.
In this course, you're going to learn to make your very first website from scratch. This is an introductory beginner's course where I take you step by step. I assume throughout the course that you know absolutely nothing about web development, and by the end of this course, you'll have the skills to make a simple, yet complete and professional website. Instead of wasting tons of time learning theory, you'll learn by doing as we create a website together in a way that leaves you in complete control to customize the website to fit your needs. So when you're ready, let's begin.
Okay, the next course is build your first website in 1 week with HTML5 and CSS3. The fastest way to learn HTML and CSS for real world. This course demanding 2 hours on 57 minutes demanding video, and 2,29,945 students enroll in this course. You will learn to this course at the end of the course HTML and CSS will no longer be a foreign language to you. Instead, you will already have built your first site and have the skill to build many other. You will be a part of the 1% of people that actually know how to build things online. We have a life-changing new skill set, power to code and create. Let's check the introduction video.
Welcome to Build Your First Website this week. When I first decided that I wanted to learn CSS and HTML to build websites, I tried the old school approach. So I tried to learn everything as if I was taking a test. I was cramming it all in. As you can guess, I got overwhelmed and frustrated and I quit. Well, a couple weeks passed, I saw websites online. I was like, man, that looks cool. I want to be able to make that. So I did the same thing. Crammed, tried to learn everything, got overwhelmed and frustrated. Well, this happened for about 3 to 5 times in a row, and finally I decided, you know what, I'm just going to try to build them. And surprisingly, that's when I learned the most. So that's what we're going to do in this course. We're going to learn by doing.
Okay, the next course is Learn HTML and CSS, how to start your web development career. Learn HTML and CSS to jumpstart your career in web development. This is the one of the big course in the video, 4 hours and 30-minute demanding video, and you will learn to this course making any website responsive and mobile friendly, and create your own HTML CSS website from scratch and host them for free, and impress employers with the BBC website clone you will make in the course project. Let's check the introduction video.
Let's fix this padding here to make it look correct. Here we can see that the padding is in between and it's also in the middle. So let's go back here, and the reason why this isn't working right now is because the paddings are wrong. So let's go ahead and make this a more clear example and remove just the border right, and we'll add the borders. So here we can see we have too much padding on top.
Okay, we are going to next video. This is the last course in the video, Mixing Network DApp Development. Explore the Mixing Network DApp ecosystem and learn how to build a web wallet for the Mixing Network. And this course is demanding 2 hours only, and you will learn to this course the internal of a mixing network and mixing network APIs and how to increase with them. Let's check out the introduction video.
Hey, I'm Jackson Kelly. I'm a software engineer at one of the big 4 tech companies. Some of you may know me from my previous offering on Udemy called Learning Blockchain Development with EOS and C++, in which we learn EOS blockchain development. I'm proud to now announce I'll be teaching a Mixin Network blockchain development course. Mixin Network is a new offering. It's a cross-blockchain transaction solution similar to Polkadot or Cosmos. And in this, start off by looking at the Mixin white paper, learning how they do the cross-chain transactions, things like that. And then after that, we'll use this knowledge to build a web wallet similar to my Ether wallet or my crypto, but we'll be doing cross-blockchain transactions. You'll need a little bit of JavaScript knowledge to follow along in the video. We also have some HTML and CSS, but we're copying that from an existing repo. So if you're ready to get started, if you're ready to build a web wallet, if you're ready to learn how Mixin does cross-chain transactions, then let's get started.
Okay, that's all. I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.